All right, Nick Burns, I got your quad uh, finished up. So this is the Maximus FPV. It's called the Bite Size. It's a stretched 2-inch, super light. Matter of fact, I don't remember what the weight was, but let's check that. I think it was 30 something. Oh, 39. I thought it was like 37. 38. 38, 39 grams. Pretty damn light for a 2-inch, especially for a 2-inch. I mean, I've built 2-inch that were, 80, 90 grams. So this is a ultralight for sure. Anyway, so yeah, Nick, I got your DYS 1102 10,000 kV Super SF4. You got the Wolf Whoop WT07, I think it's called. It has the wires for OSD. I got you a XM Plus, and I did flash it myself, so it has RSSI and the OSD for you. Did I say this was a stretched? Yeah, it's a stretched X 2-inch. I mean, look at this. There's plenty of room on the sides, but look how close the props are side to side. I mean, that's like less than a millimeter, but they won't hit, which is awesome. This thing is just solid, man. Like, the arms are super stiff. I mean, super stiff. I would have thought there would have been much more bend than there is, but yeah, it's really stiff. So pretty nice frame. Max does a really good job of doing the prints as well. He does all these TPU prints himself. You got the arm protection, camera mount, spacers for the stack. He even sent me these antenna tube caps. They're TPU and they're really nice. Super nice. I love them. So yeah, there it is. I like this one even more than the Modulus. I mean, this must be like the step up from the Modulus. The Modulus was one of my favorites. I mean, it was my favorite nano brushless out of any that I had flown. And there was just one or two things that I wasn't a big fan of on it, and one of them was that I couldn't access the USB very easily. So on this one, because it's a stretch, you can get your USB in there no problem. I mean, I use those 90-degree ones, so that one goes in there so easy. But I also tried a straight one, and it goes in there just no problem. So yeah, there's nothing I could complain about with this frame. It's just perfect. I haven't flown too many stretched X though, so I don't know how it's gonna fly, but I would bet that it's gonna fly pretty damn awesome. So yeah, on the receiver, I got the button hanging out the back here, right below the USB. So you can even get to it with your finger, no problem. Bind up in D16 mode. I don't know if I'll be able to show you. So I didn't want to use this anymore because I don't want to chance it if something could smoke or whatever, so I threw a JST on my goggles battery. Well, I don't use this one anymore because I got this other one. Actually, I really want that new Furious one, but I use this one that has the 18650 batteries in it. So I don't use this one anymore, so I threw a JST on it because I know it's 2S. So I was gonna throw it on here and see if it would fly with that. Alright, I think that should do it. Look at that shit. Oh man. Well, alright, so I'm going to first try to show you the video in the goggles. So we will plug this in. And right now it's on Raceband channel 3. And you'll see across the bottom I have battery voltage on the left, RSSI in the middle, and then timer on the right. Alright, now let's bring this around here. Oh man, this is crazy. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, that's about all I want to do. I didn't want to do anything too crazy because this battery is definitely not gonna, I mean it's just 10 times heavier than the battery you're going to be using, so just wanted to show you that it flies. This thing is just so awesome. It looks like I'm going to have to invest in a few 2S batteries. I used to have a bunch, but then I kind of went away from 2S, so I got rid of them all. But now that Maximus is making these badass frames, I'm definitely going to have to get some more for these. So there you go, Nick. Enjoy it. Have fun flying it. I hope that everything went well for you recently, and look forward to building for you again. It's always a pleasure. Alright, thanks, Nick.